In the philosophy of shattered dreams, I search for peace in the pages of history. With vision in every letter and a future in every word, I see a kingdom rising from ashes to concrete gold. We are gems of this nation, a diamond in the rough, caught up in decades of war, sculptured from hardship but still beautiful like a rosebud. Shadows tend to follow us around, humming songs of the dead, but they can't deny us the light of a new dawn and a new day. I'm Zara Abdihaji, a poet and a member of the Somali Storytellers. In this segment, we want to highlight the real narrative of Somalia, covering identity, culture, history, and overall progress of the country. In the capital city of Somalia, Mogadishu, the most populated city in East Africa, once known as the Great White Pearl of the Horn. With a lot of Somalis returning home, everyone in the country is playing a role in maintaining Somalia's rich culture and heritage. This way, the culture goes on forever. Meet internet sensation Ali Moomin, also known as Ali Clever, who is actively promoting Somali culture on a social media platform together with his siblings.
waxaa la dhahaa Ali Moomin Aweys Ali Clever meelaha qaar oo u dhow badda jamalada waxa ku soo sameeyaa sawiraan qurux badan oo soo gala marka bulshada la wadaaga markaas page-ka soo dhiga waxaan ahay last year sanadka ugu dambeysay ahay marka insha Allah after waxaan rabaa last year jaamacadina bilaa insha Allah labadaas waxa waaye walaalahay waaye mid magaciisa waxa la Majid Arif gabadhan ay geer walaasheeda waaye waxa la idin sumayo video horta wuxuu ku imaaday ma sha Allah wiil oo fanaan oo dhiirgelinayo soo heesayo macnaha ereyada ay tahay erey oo macnaha maanta ka hadlayo dhirteen Soomaaliga
fiiri hableheena bilicdoodu xadba male uma baahni muran iyagana koob kale waayo dhaqanka ma tagaan.
At just the age of 20, Ali has managed to attract the attention of 80,000 Somali followers around the globe who also want to stay connected with their roots. Ali is using the energy to inspire other young Somalis to take pride in their culture.
ina maanta ku faanaa dad badan maanta waxa jira oo dalka ka maqan oo dibadda joogan oo maanta oo idhaheen intee ka heleynaa oo kale dharkan hidaaya dhaqanka iniga aniga xiran kadib aniga waxa ku dhaanay dalka uu yaala insha Allah markaa imaadin waxa waa helaysiin waxa taayna dalkiin hooyo ani baan meeshaas ku soo carar marka.
Ali is one of the many young people who are looking beyond the negative image and embracing their homeland. Join me, Ahmed and Hidayah, as we search for Somali cultural items and garments in the old city of Mogadishu. Welcome to Hamadweyne. The material I'm holding here is called alinti. Alinti is a Somali print commonly worn by women.
Fuulaha waaweynka ah waaye ayaga waxaa laga sameeyaa lafaha geela ama lo'da laga sameeyaa oo la qoray kadibna rinjiga la mariyaa gabadha marka arooska tahay loo xiraa qaabkan u xiranaysaa gacanta gadaal marinaysaa qaybtan kalena aydan sidoo kale u xiranaysaa gacanta kale ay ka gadaal marinaysaa sidaan ku qurux badan tahay ayadoo labiskeeda hidii dhaqanka hoos ka xiran ayay tan kor ka xiran
Toregan hidii dhaqanka waayo waaga hore marka torega ma laga maarmeen fahanta.
This is a traditional headdress called barshan or barkin. Exotic animals such as the giraffe were caught and sold by Somali merchants to various empires. Somali giraffes were very popular in the Ming dynasty of China in the 13th century. Somalis also have a long history with seafaring as people of trade. They used an ancient Somali vessel known as badan, which is the longest surviving stone boat in the Horn of Africa and the Arabian Peninsula. The bqat. This item right here is a frankincense burner. xasuus weyn oo noo leeyahay taariikhda. After the cultural experience, there was a strong need to visit historic sites. The first one we stopped at is called Daljirka Dahsan, also known as the Tomb of an Unknown Soldier. This was built in memory and honor of the brave men and women who fought for this country. This has always stood here. And as you can see, the Somali flag stands here as well. Hawa Tako is one of the most strongest women in Somalia's history. She encouraged women to fight for their freedom. This one here is called the Gahtur, which literally translates to stone throwing. This dates back to October 5th, 1949, where a fight broke out between Somali nationalists and colonial powers. As Somali youth, we choose to see the beauty in the ruins. As a poet, I take pride in our poetic heritage, coming from a wise line of men and women. We all play a role in shaping the future of Somalia.